Hi guys, so today we're gonna change the filter on a BMW F30 series. So this is the filter I choose to go with. Cortico makes filters for BMW. And here we're gonna remove two 10mm. Gonna snap this now, like that. Remove this connector. And we have two T20 Torx here and one here that we're gonna remove. There's a clip here that you pry back. Okay, so these clips are just, you press it back, you push back against it like that. This it's the same way you press back against it. You see the filter coming out there. You can see the filter is quite dirty. So this is the outside. Sometimes I'll take these off and just vacuum in between them, to be honest. I've been doing this for a year now, but it started to smell funky when I start up, so I'm gonna swap it out. So these are directional. If you look on the filter, it's showing you the airflow direction. So that's where I'm gonna put it. And if you're confused by the airflow, this is the fan here. So the fan is bringing in air straight from an air duct right above it. So if the fan is sucking air in, it has to pass through here. So make sure you get it on the correct side. You gotta wrestle it in a little bit. You gotta bend it. Get it up in there. Okay, let me put this phone down. Okay, so once you get it in there, you just slide it up. And that is it basically, and then you just put this back together. Clips into place, and you just reattach the screws. Alright, so I hope this helps someone. You just put everything back in reverse here. And thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.